Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Vtiger, Suitecrm, and Hubspot. Vtiger, Suitecrm, and Hubspot are CRM tools that suit different types of businesses. Vtiger is a flexible and user-friendly CRM that helps businesses manage sales, marketing, and customer support all in one place. It has built-in modules for marketing, project management, and inventory management. The interface is straightforward, but some learning may be needed to unlock its full potential. Meanwhile, Suitecrm is an open-source CRM that gives you full control over your system. The platform offers many features including sales automation, customer support, and marketing tools. However, it does not require some technical skills to set up and customize. Hubspot is a user-friendly CRM that helps businesses manage sales, marketing, and customer service. It offers a free version which includes core features like contact management and email marketing. Hubspot interface is clean and intuitive, making navigation simple. In my opinion, Hubspot is better for ease of use and scalability, while Suitecrm and Vtiger are better for customization and flexibility. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.